Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. I would like to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for going to the cross for us, for his love, his sacrifice, and his grace. Now let's continue with the show. Today we've got one of the most legendary cars in Fast and Furious history, Dom's Chevrolet Fleetline from Jada Toys. This is the famous bum car that nobody took seriously until Dom lined it up and showed what it could really do. Let's get it out of the box and onto the turntable. And wow, that cream-colored body with the rust-style weathering is perfect. This car is supposed to look rough, unfinished, and slow, but we all know what it really is. Jada absolutely nailed that sleeper build vibe. This is the exact car Dom uses when he challenges the other driver to a race. Using a so-called junk car, everybody laughs at it, everybody underestimates it, but Dom rigs it to be fast. That's what makes this Fleetline so iconic. It's not about looks, it's about what's under the hood and who's behind the wheel. From the side, the stance is low and aggressive. Those bronze wheels give it a tough street look, and the weathering along the bottom makes it feel like a true garage project. This car looks beat, but it's built to eat. Now this is where the magic happens. Look at that exposed engine up front. The radiator, the piping, the motor all sitting out in the open. This is where Dom did his work. This is where the sleeper becomes a monster. Jada did an amazing job capturing that raw mechanical detail. And check this out. This car has no doors, just like in the movie. It gives you that open, stripped-down race build feel. You can see right into the interior with the steering wheel, seat, and dash. No luxury here, just purpose. This car is built to race, not to cruise. Spin it around to the back and you've got those classic taillights and smooth bumper. The curves on this Fleetline are beautiful and timeless. Even as a rough-looking sleeper, this car still carries classic Chevy style. Dom's Chevrolet Fleetline is one of the coldest sleepers in movie history, a car that looked like nothing, but was built to be everything. Jada captured the story, the attitude, and the power behind this piece. This is a must-have for any Fast and Furious collector. So that's all we have for today. But stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing Brian's Nissan Skyline GTR from the Fast and Furious lineup. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, take a cruise down to our other videos to see what other cool rides we have here on the channel. So, until next time, keep die casting and God bless.